Okay, good day everyone. It's Total Investor here, everyone's favorite YouTube investment channel. Today I want to very briefly go over a particular situation that we have in the bond market. I'm going to look specifically at the T-bond futures contract, the June 2021 contract. And what I do is when I post the information, I'd like to look at a chart that's very, very simple. I just use two moving averages, and that just pretty much gives me the buy and sell signals. Now, first of all, why would I look at bonds? Well, today the inflation numbers came out. They were much higher than expected, and they were the highest consumer prices going back to 2008. Okay, and I'm thinking, along with many others, that this could be the start of higher and higher inflation rates for not only the coming months, but maybe for the coming years. We seem to be getting like a lot of supply shocks. So it's not going to be coming from so much from the demand side, but rather than the supply side. And that is going to affect interest rates. Okay. And that's why I specifically wanted to look at bonds. Again, I use these two moving averages, which do work very well the vast majority of the time, and they have been giving good signals in the past. The last one that we have, it initially started as a sell signal going back when they crossed way back here at just over 170 level. And they very briefly gave a buyback and then a sell back in February. This price was down to 165, and it remained a sell until they crossed over at around 156 and change. So that is more than 10 points, which is more than $10,000. From here and then here, we just got a sell signal a couple of days ago. So if we take this buy and this sell, we're pretty much at even. It consolidated the price of the bonds, consolidated, just went sideways, so not much of a profit, no loss. That's okay. But we did get a sell down here at around 157.5 a couple of days ago, and so far there's about $2,000 in profit since this thing gave us that sell signal. Again, just for a couple of trading days, that's not bad. But one thing I don't have here is a longer chart. This is only 6 months, but this is not looking good for bonds. And I think that there's still a tremendous opportunity on the short side for bonds. Now, for those of you who don't trade futures or commodities, there are still stocks out there where you can profit from falling bond prices. And you would have to look at one in particular is the TMV, and that is a stock that, mind you, it's a 2x. There's also a 3x. You have to be careful of that because there is time decay, but it is something that you can look into if if you're interested in this kind of a trade, if you will. Again, I like to reemphasize that this is not to be considered as financial advice. I am not your financial advisor, but it's just letting you know that this is something that I am looking at right now, and my method. So it's more of an educational thing. For those who want to see more of these particular videos, please subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is click on that George Washington icon down at the bottom right hand corner. If you have any questions on this particular trade or any other stock, commodity, or even cryptocurrency, down in the comments section, and please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate that very much. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.